Hey everyone, it's Ivana from ParentSquare here with a 2-minute tip. With ParentSquare, you can easily sign up for a designated time slot when your school utilizes the appointment sign-up feature. Follow me as I show you how to access and sign up for a time slot that fits your schedule. Let's go! First, let's look at how to sign up on a mobile device. From the home screen, you will scroll down to locate the post and select it by tapping on it. From here, you will see the appointment signups option on the top of the page. Select it by tapping your screen. To sign up for your desired time, you will tap on that time. You can add an optional note here. Once you're done, click Save in the top right corner. You can view your signups by clicking the More option at the bottom right of your screen. And just like that, you are now set to meet at a time that works best for you. Now let me show you how you can do the same thing, but on the browser. From a browser, you'll first locate the post in your center feed that contains the appointment signup. If you do not see the post, you can also locate all of your signups on the right-hand side of your screen under Signups and RSVP. Once you've located the post, select Sign Up to begin, or you can click Read More to open the post in its entirety. You will then scroll down to view the available time slots. After reviewing the available slots, you can select your time by clicking Sign Up to the right of your desired time slot. You will then have the option to write a short note if you want to, just like on the app. After, click Save on the bottom right-hand corner. You will then be brought back to the previous screen and you should see your name listed to the right of the time slot. If the time slot is open for multiple individuals to sign up at the same time, you may see multiple names listed. Keep in mind that you can always view your signups in the left side navigation under Participate. Now that you know, share this tip with others. I hope it helps. Thanks for watching.